Hey there, welcome back to the channel where creativity meets 3D printing. Today we're tackling a project that's functional as it is fun, designing and printing a custom doorknob. Plus, we'll show off an epic hyper long doorknob designed in collaboration with JL3DP. Let's dive in. A doorknob might seem simple, but it's an incredible canvas for creativity. You can design it to match your decor, fit your hand perfectly, or even add fun themes like a dragon or a space-inspired look, or even your favorite hobby. The possibilities are endless. Today, I'll show you how to create a custom basic doorknob design, but feel free to get as creative as you like. Now, I'll be showing you guys how to make a custom doorknob for yourself. So you may be lucky and have the same doorknob model as me, and I'll upload a 3D model to this exact doorknob template that you can use. But essentially what you'll need to do is find a screwdriver or this hex key and undo the doorknob from the door, and you take it out, and what you want to do essentially, you want to create an exact copy inside Fusion 360. So you could use a pair of calipers or maybe a ruler, but that'd be a lot harder. And you can essentially first measure the diameter like so, and you get around 21 and a half. And you can measure the depth using the bottom like so, like that. And then you get 30.5, and these little ridges, what you can do, you can take a phone and take a picture of this exact slice of the doorknob, and you can import that into Fusion 360 as a canvas, and you can draw a sketch around that. I'll show it on the screen to better illustrate this.
My screen recorder is glitching out. Bear with me here. Hit insert and then canvas. On the left, right-click the canvas and hit calibrate. Select the inner diameter and enter your measured value. Align the center of the doorknob to the origin. Create a sketch and create the first prototype. Remember, it's probably not going to work on the first try. Use the sketch and create extrusions using the measured values.
Okay, now after you have the template in Fusion 360, we can print a test print. And I would highly recommend printing a test print to make sure your template actually fits on your doors before committing to making the doorknobs. Alright, when printing, use a durable filament like PETG or ABS. These materials can handle the wear and tear of daily use. Adjust your print settings for strength. I'm talking about higher infill, thicker walls, and slower speeds for precision. If you're adding texture or fine details, ensure your layer height is set low for a smooth finish. Now, it's time for something really special. In collaboration with JL3DP, we created this hyper long doorknob. It's bold, it's modern, and it's a total conversation starter. Perfect for anyone looking to make a statement. It's literally so long that it hardly fits the camera. Installing your 3D printed doorknob is pretty straightforward. you simply have to securely attach it to your door using the same set of screws from before, and that's it. Just make sure it's securely attached, and a touch of sanding or sealing with resin or epoxy can elevate the final look. To wrap things up, I would like to thank the partner of today's video, JL3DP. To create projects like this, simply head over to their website and upload your file, and they'll ship it to your door just like that. If you enjoyed this project, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative 3D printing ideas. Huge thanks to JL3DP for partnering on this awesome design. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy printing!